6. Signing into the portal. The portal is your website for where you'll find all of your courses in communication. Some classes might also refer to it as eAcademy, but we call it the portal. Make sure that you're always signing into the portal by accessing through your Edmodo homeroom. This way we make sure you're seeing your homeroom lessons, any communication from your homeroom teacher, and any tasks that might be coming up throughout the school year. When you're done with this lesson, you should be able to get into the portal. And the easiest way to do this is to log into your homeroom and click on the Enter Portal Now button in the bottom of Edmodo. From there, you're going to use your same username and password that you got into Edmodo to log into the portal. And once it does log you in, you're going to open up to your home page. This is where we're going to see all of the access for your classes, your grades, your teacher, and even the progress you're making in each course. If you look at those icons across the top, those 6 buttons, this is your home, you see the little house there, home button. Across the left side of the screen, you also see school announcements, your advisor, and some other helpful information you might find, like a link back to Edmodo. The second link you see here is a megaphone. This is announcements. Now these announcements might come from school, scholarship opportunities, or your homeroom teacher, or maybe your class teachers. It's always important that you're checking announcements as they might be helpful for turning in assignments or, anything else that could get you through the day. You'll notice that little number at the bottom. If you have a number there, that means you have unread announcements, and you should really check that out. Next up, we have Webmail. This is our internal emailing account. And this is where you can receive emails from any of your course teachers or advisors. And when you have new emails, you'll get a number up here in the corner. Don't be like this gal, as she has 607 emails, and that's a bit much. Next up, the fourth icon is People with a Quotation Bubble. This is the icon for forums. There are course discussion boards here, and they can also cover extra content discussions that you might find. They'll come up according to group. You'll come down here and select group and select any course group discussion board you may need. Fifth on the icon list is a pen and paper. These are your assessment icons. Throughout the year, an assessment might come up that you need to take, but this is also a great place to find all of the assessments for your entire course list. You can search courses or search for assessments by course, and they'll come up listed here for you. Sixth is this meter button. This is the intervention button. You can click on this icon to see if any interventions have been assigned to any courses. There aren't any here yet. You might also receive interventions from your advisor or homeroom teacher throughout the year. These will probably come through Webmail. Interventions are supports that are put in place by the school either on a certain lesson or skill that will help you be successful. Now let's go back and check out more about Webmail because it's an interesting system. It works similar to standard email. As it is internal, though, you can't send webmails to friends outside of Provost. But you can send messages. You'll see that there's messages, all of them are sent, drafts, trash, and you can even make yourself a signature. When you're going to compose a message, you're going to click up here on Create Message, and it's got a filter function. So the first thing we need to do is select the address book next to the To label, and then you're going to filter by group for teacher or advisor, and then you can search by their last name. It is worth noting that teachers here at Provost do not have their first name in the system, so the last name is probably the best way to find them. From the home page on the portal, you do have access to all of your courses. Remember that all core courses have 4 parts, and each part takes about 9 weeks to complete. And it'll get there. There we go. So we see here's a core course. It's got 4 parts. You can also see your 7-day progress, your overall progress, and your current grade. The grade will show up in the blue. The progress for 7 days shows up in the bar here, and your overall progress there. Your overall progress will show you how many lessons you have to complete out of the total number you need to complete the course. Your 7-day progress is measured and accurate to the hour. This is your weekly attendance. And finally, your current grade, that blue box, will show your grade percentage. This does not take into account missing assignments, so keep in mind that your grade might change if you do not complete all assignments. Zeros are added for all missing assignments. To enter a course, you click on the part, and it will bring up the lesson. Ooh. Hope this has been helpful. If you have any further questions, give your homeroom teacher a shout out.